Hey guys, Tony here. Just updating you guys on Bitcoin. We actually just crossed over $61,000, and I do think that it does look like we are getting ready to go towards that $67,000. I mean, I do think that we are well underway of running up, or starting at least that run up towards $76,000. Last time I talked about Bitcoin, we had like a small drop, and we were sitting at like under 50K, and now we're over $61,000. The next fib level is actually 76,000, which is basically where I set my forecast. So it does look like we're going to $76,000. Everything still right now looks pretty bullish. On the week, the stochastic, we are about to break towards the upside. On the 4-hour chart, we just broke bullish towards the upside, and on the day chart for the MACD, we just broke what is it called? Let me see if I can get it. We just broke the MACD on the bullish side. We just broke it March 9th, and we were sitting at a price of, on March 9th, we were sitting at a price of roughly 53,000 bucks. So 100% bullish on Bitcoin. I do think we have officially started the run up, and we are going to hit $76,000 around, when was the last run up that I did? Well, I mean, I guess I have my forecast here, and it says that by March 20th, we're going to hit $76,000. And I guess that's what was my, like, past Tony did some TA and basically figured that 13 days away from now, we're going to be hitting, what is it called? Or by March 20th, Bitcoin's going to be hitting $76,000. So I'll see you guys later.